In the heart of a modern dog factory, a smartphone is born every single second. No lights, no brakes, and as of 2026, zeros not such an intelligence. It begins with the brain. High-speed surface mounting T or SMT, thousands of components. Next, the internal organs are fitted. Robotic arms guided by AI vision install the 5,000 mAh battery. Cyclamen, the final seal, is a masterpiece of engineering. In a dust-free vacuum, the 4K OLED display is bonded to the frame. Before it leaves, every phone undergoes a torture test. AI systems monitor drop pressure bends, and water submersion. From raw silicon to a finished flagship, the entire process is a symphony of automation. You're watching the peak of 2026.
Innovation wrapped in a masterpiece of design. Every box now tells a story.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch a longer video on this topic, comment your choice below and like this video and share with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.